Hey guys, this is HP OFFICEJET PRO 8135e. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer to factory setting. This printer is currently connected to Wi-Fi network, and this is the reason why this blue light is steady blue light here. If you want to reset this printer to factory setting, you need to select the menu, then scroll down to Tools. You select Tools, then you scroll down, you will see Troubleshooting, Reports, Maintenance and Service. Select Maintenance, Restore Settings and Fireware. So select Restore Settings. It gives you option Restore Network Setting, Restore User Setting, Restore User Settings, Restore User Data, Restore All Factory Default. So select Restore All Factory Default, select Restore. Restore All Factory Default. All configured settings in the printer will be deleted and original factory setting will be restored, including the following: admin password, network license, etc. Do you want to continue? You select Restore. Now this printer restore successfully. Restore successfully. And you need to keep an eye on the blue light here. Once this is completed, the light will start flashing. Restoring printer setting. You can see the light is gone off. The light will go off and the light here is no longer. You see a white light and HP. You can see the light is gone off from the screen and is turning itself back on. And once you've done everything, you start, the light is flashing. It will prompt you to put your language and set this printer again. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.